If you love cupcakes, today's video is for you. That's right. In this video, we are diving into the wonderful world of cupcakes. And I will share everything you need to know from the ingredients to the packaging of these cute little cakes. So, stay tuned till the end to get all the tips and tricks to make tasty and delicious cupcakes that you can sell from your home bakery. First things first, what exactly is a cupcake? Well, it is a cake in a cup, as simple as that. It's a small cake designed to serve one person, and it is usually baked in a cup shaped container, hence, it is named cupcake. Now that we are talking about cupcakes, it is very important to understand what we mean by muffin because there is this common confusion between the difference between cupcakes and muffins. Now let me tell you, while both are delicious and you will always have few customers cheering up for muffins, while some will only order cupcakes from your home bakery. So, cupcakes are typically sweeter, lighter, they are fluffier and they have a richer flavor as well. Whereas muffins, they tend to be denser and they are less sweet as well. If you look at cupcakes, they are always with frosting and muffins will always be served without any frosting or icing. They are eaten just like that. And that is the reason muffins are considered to be the part of tea time cake series. Now, let us talk about the ingredients as well. For any basic cupcake recipe, you will typically need flour, sugar, eggs. Now, in case of eggless recipes, eggs will be optional, but butter, milk, baking powder, and a pinch of salt as well. These are like the basic ingredients that you will need for making any kind of cupcake recipe. But don't forget the most important ingredient, your love. That's right. Put your heart and soul into making these cute little cakes, and that will surely add to their taste and their look and feel as well. Let me also throw some light on the cupcake texture because it is the hallmark of any perfect cupcake. The cupcake texture should be moist, tender, and oh so satisfying. Achieving this kind of an ideal texture is all about the right balance of ingredients and precise baking time. Like I always say to my students, you have to understand what goes in and around the recipe to get a perfect baked product every time you bake a cake in your home bakery. Now, on to the fun part, which is my favorite activity, decorating these cupcakes. Now here I am using my classic cupcake recipe and I have made these cute little mini cupcakes. Can you see how nicely they are put into mini cupcake boxes as well? They look cute, don't they? Now I am using two nozzles over here, a small rosette nozzle and a 1M nozzle. Also I am using two different types of frostings, chocolate truffle and purple whipped cream. Using 1M nozzle, I will be making simple stars as you can see over here. And using small rosette nozzles, I will be making small rosettes on my mini cupcakes. And they are already looking so gorgeous. Do you all agree with me on this? If yes, type agree in the chat box. Now please feel free to use different nozzles and make beautiful designs on these cupcakes. Cupcakes make a great gift for any happy occasion. It can be used for any type of gifting. So, remember to pay attention to their packaging as well. Try to give them a personal touch as per the occasion. Like you can use variety of stickers and make them apt for any festival. For example, in this case, now I am using Rakhi sticker. They look so cool and gift worthy and absolutely unique, right? So next time you want to give something to your loved ones, try these cupcakes. Decorate them beautifully and package them really well because that will surely put a smile on your loved one's face. By the way, hit that like button if you have stayed in the video for so long. It will motivate me to come up with similar content like this on my channel. And also comment and let me know what would you like me to cover in my next set of series of videos. I will be more than happy to do that for lovely amazing people like you. Coming back to the tutorial, always remember presentation is the key, especially if you are giving these delightful treats as gifts. I recommend using transparent boxes like so for a professional and elegant look. Having said that, do explore on your own because there are so many varieties of boxes that are available which you can choose as per the occasion and your customer's budget as well. Also, I would like to share that after doing multiple hamper orders from my home bakery, I have realized that sometimes packaging becomes costlier as compared to the product itself. So, be 100% sure before you take a huge order, bulk order, or a corporate order from your home bakery. It may make or break your home bakery. So, make sure to do a lot of planning before you say yes to your customer. And there you have it. From batter to box, you are now a cupcake expert. Thanks for joining me in this sweet journey. And do like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious content like this. Until next time, happy baking.